While retouching, you may find certain images may turn out to be blurry, or they might not have the sharpness that you expect them to be. In this video, I will show you the 3 best and easiest ways to sharpen your blurry images. So without any further delay, let's quickly start the tutorial. I am going to use a raw image for this tutorial. Click on this drop-down menu and select Open as Object. If you are working with a JPEG image, then I will suggest you convert it into a smart object to work non-destructively. First method. Make 2 duplicate layers of the original image layers by using its shortcut Ctrl-J. Select second layer and press Ctrl-I to invert. Then change the blending mode of the layer to vivid light. Next, go to Filter, then Blur and Gaussian Blur. You will notice that not much detail can be seen in the image, but as you increase the blur amount, more details can be seen. But don't overdo it, as we don't need too much of details. Keep it between 3 to 4 to get a subtle amount of sharpness. Click OK to confirm the change. Select these 2 layers and then right-click to select Group from Layer to group them. Or you can use shortcut Ctrl-G. Now, you just have to change its blending mode to overlay. Turn the layer visibility on and off to see before and after. Second method. As it is a JPEG image, we are first going to make it a smart object. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate layer. Go to Filter, then Other, and then select High Pass. Try to keep it between 3 to 4 pixels to get a subtle result. Click OK. Then change the layer blending mode to overlay. Zoom in and toggle before and after to see the sharpness applied to the image. Third method. Again, I am going to use a raw image. Open the image as object to convert it into a smart object. Duplicate layer image. Then go to Filter, then Sharpen. You can try out any of the sharpen methods from here, but UNSHARP mask works best. Increase amount and radius according to your need, but don't increase the thresholds too much. Hope you liked this video. If you are interested to watch the beginner's tutorial of Camera Raw, then click on this link and I will see you in my next video.